Just thought I'd do a quick video on how I installed lights into a lack floating shelf from IKEA. So we had these shelves on the walls, and my daughters played the piano under one of the shelves, and the shadow thrown on the music was a bit dark, and my daughter requested that I install some lights into the shelf. So I had some of these low voltage lights just hanging around in the basement from a previous renovation, 2 extra lights. So what I did, and these lights actually run off an adapter, power adapter, 12 volt DC, 2 amps. I didn't have one of these. I found this in my basement, another power adapter, and I wired it up. So basically these shelves are hollow with a bit of card to support it. I'm not sure you can see that. Oh, the shadow of the phone's in the way. Anyway, so the 2 wires connected up to this adapter. It's been sitting in my basement for years. Popped it all together, shoved everything in the hole, and hung it back on the wall. So put everything back in, and I'm going to hang it back on the wall. I'll be back in a sec. So I've just screwed it back into the wall, and now to demonstrate, by the way, I had to buy a new switch, an inline switch, and once you turn it on, bingo, lights are on. Really proud of the finish and happy with the result, and thank you for watching.